Hello everyone, today we are comparing Oppo Pad 3 Pro, Honor Pad GT Pro and OnePlus Pad 2. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Display features. Oppo Pad 3 Pro and OnePlus Pad 2 comes with 12.1 inches IPS LCD display, and the Honor Pad GT Pro comes with 12.3 inches OLED display. Next, compare the hardware features. All three tablets are powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. Oppo Pad 3 Pro and OnePlus Pad 2 comes with 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. And the Honor Pad GT Pro comes with 13 megapixel rear camera and 9 megapixel front camera. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. These devices include studio speakers, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.